Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are preparing DIY deep conditioner for our hair, and what we need for this deep conditioner is hibiscus flower, fenugreek seed, flax seed and banana. I've soaked my fenugreek seed overnight, and the next thing that we have to do is to cook the flax seed to get the flax seed gel from the flax seed. In this video, I'm going to take you guys along to show you step by step on how I prepared this deep conditioner. But before we proceed, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome. Please hit on that red button to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting the ministry. So after you have boiled the flax seed for 10 minutes, get a sieve to separate the flax seed gel from the seed. So the next thing that we are going to prepare is the hibiscus flower. Add a boiled water into the hibiscus flower and leave it for 3 minutes to soak. The next thing we are going to do here is blending the fenugreek seed. You can choose to add everything together, like adding the hibiscus water, the banana, and blend them together. Or you can choose to do as I did in this video by adding it one after the other. The reason why I add flaxseed gel to the ingredient is because I want to get this slippery feeling while detangling my hair, because each time I deep condition my hair, I make sure that I detangle my hair. So if you don't want to add flaxseed gel, you can skip it, because the fenugreek seed also have the slippery feeling. So you can skip the flaxseed and just use the fenugreek and any of your preferred ingredients. It will still work the same for you. Another thing that we are going to do here, which is the most important part, is sieving the ingredient that we have blended. This is the most important thing, and if you make any mistake in this part, you are going to find particles on your hair, which is not good for you. Okay, I found this bag on YouTube. One of the YouTubers introduced this bag in her video. I've forgotten the name of the woman, so I searched for this bag on one of the shopping app that we have here called Taobao. So I got this bag. Guys, this bag is a lifesaver. If you can get this sieving bag from any store around you, get it. This bag is a lifesaver. This will help you to get out all any particle that will stick on your hair. Lastly, after sieving the ingredients, this is where I did the final mixture. I add virgin olive oil to the ingredients. I bought the measurements. Then I now add 2 spoons of flaxseed gel into the ingredient. I mix everything together. Right now it's time for me to apply the deep conditioner on my hair. First, I have washed my hair. As you can see, my scalps are clean. Okay, before you apply your deep conditioner on your hair, make sure you wash your hair with hair shampoo. I wash my hair with my flaxseed shampoo. If you haven't watched my video, please check the video on the description box. I'll also put the card here, so that if you haven't watched that video on flaxseed milk, how I did my flaxseed milk shampoo, please watch the video. It's a very interesting video. That hair shampoo is the best hair shampoo I have ever used in my life. Okay, so I don't like having something like dandruff on my hair or any kind of scalp issue, so I like doing my own hair shampoo. I make sure that my scalps are clean. That is the first thing you should do before applying any deep conditioner on your hair. You need to wash your hair so that the deep conditioner can penetrate very well on your scalp. okay, so that you get what you want. You can apply deep conditioner on a dirty hair. This is only fenugreek seed, banana, flaxseed gel, and hibiscus flower. These are things that I use for this deep conditioner. So without talking too much, let me apply this on my hair to show you guys how you apply this deep conditioner on your hair. This way, first part your hair like this, then apply it. So I'll be looking at the mirror here so that I'll see what I'm doing. After applying it, use your detangling brush. No, I haven't told you guys about this brush. If you don't have this detangling brush, please rush and buy this brush, okay? I love how this deep conditioner feels on my hair. So this is how I'm going to do it, one after the other, and make sure I detangle my hair. You use your detangling brush to detangle your hair very well. Guys can see, oh my god, see coils. Woo! God, feed your hair very well, concentrate on a healthy hair, growth will come. And you see, when you look at your hair, you see how healthy your hair is. Look guys, look at coils. It seems that like my hair is getting dry. Okay, so you need your spray bottle. Make sure your hair is wet your hair. You can't apply deep conditioner on a dry hair. Make sure you wet your hair. Okay. So after detangling, then you twist. When you're through, or you see there is no knots on the hair, you twist it. Make sure you detangle your hair properly.
Guys, remember that the tips of your hair is the oldest part of your hair. So whatever product that you're applying on your hair, make sure that the tips of your hair gets a huge amount of the product. This will help the tips of your hair to stay more healthy and strong.
Guys, hey, I don't even know what to say. I'm short of words. This deep conditioner is giving me life. Oh my god. Look at this. Look Look at these guys. Woo! You better go and get this deep conditioner. Apply this deep conditioner on your hair. Come back to my channel and tell me what you think about it. Tell me how it feels on your hair. I promise you, after using this deep conditioner, you will love this. I'm telling you guys, this deep conditioner is giving me life. Like, I don't know how I feel, but you need to try this. Try it. Just do it.
Just do it!
Try this deep conditioner. This is tested and trusted. You see this? Try it, okay? Because this is so good that I'm not the only one that is going to try this. Like, this is bomb for natural hair. This mixture is everything. Guys, finally I'm through with applying the deep conditioner on my hair. Oh my god. So I need to touch the side of my hair. I need this to cover my hair. So guys, this is the this is the quantity of hair that I lost. Oh, this is the amount of hair that I lost. So we are done for tonight. Okay, I will leave this thing overnight till tomorrow. I'll wash it out tomorrow, and I'll sleep over with it tonight. Okay, night. Bye.